People they always talk say automatic compressor no dey work well for Nigeria because of the weather. Is this true?
It's right. My name is Jude the but people call me AC Doctor because I dey fix and they sell the parts as well. Many of AC people, they don't know how to fix automatic very well because it has a procedure. It can work automatic can work in any country. Doesn't mean a weather doesn't control compressor.
So if my car come with automatic compressor now and the spoil and I change them to manual, what will be disadvantage? How will it go affect my car?
It will be like your engine carry load. Not it will be. Your engine will carry load. The sound will change. Are you getting me? Because automatic is very, very light and the manual is heavier than automatic. And sometimes it destroys the engine.
So if I come market alone now, come buy compressor, I don't know much about compressor. How I go take no say I dey buy good compressor? They say they know they scam me.
They must scam you for automatic because there's no way you will know automatic compressor. They can even repair it and it will be pumping. And you may even think that the compressor is okay. But the one, how you take no? You will check the four bolts that used to tight it for the neck. But I can show you. Like now, this one. If you look here now, there's bolt that used to tight it for here. If you look here, you will see that the spanner have already entered it. This one now is direct umbo, never tamper. Look at here now. It's direct from engine. That's why the sound is still there. Here now, the bolt, they will lose it. You will see the mark that show that they already opened it before. And the pumping will not be that sharp for hand. But if direct umbo, the pump, even only loading like this, it will pump in very well, so that it's perfect okay.
Why is it good to change the entire AC components if you want to change the compressor?
Okay. Why I always advise people to change all that things before fixing compressor? Because AC has like a CC unit for AC that make AC to work perfect. Compressor is one of them. Condenser also, expansion valve also, evaporator also, and the hoses. And unfortunately, all the system very well. Because if you don't change condenser and compressor is okay, condenser is bad, it spoils the compressor. And if it's hose, common hose is no good, it will damage the compressor. If the valve is not too good, the AC will not cool well inside. It will only cooling for outside. So that's why if you want to change compressor, you have to change all this thoroughly. You change condenser, check the hose. If it's not good, change it. Flush the system, change the expansion valve. The AC will work perfect.
How you go know if your AC don't spoil? Small.
Come to a manual compressor. First of all, you started the lazy and cool. When you're in motion, the AC will clean well. And when you're in traffic or hold up, the AC will not be clean well. It will feel heat. Shows that the compressor has a low pumping. Come to automatic compressor. Compressor will be on and off. Sometimes it will peak. It will bring cool air. Sometimes it will fail to peak. That shows that the compressor, the automatic has already failed. It's no longer good.
You know, say some parts now, they go talk say Tokumbo better pass brand new. So is it like that for AC too?
Yes, for AC. New one, original new one, Denso Japan, is better than Tokumbo. Why direct Tokumbo is better than China parts? And all thing that we market here is China. It's hard to see brand new one, original Denso Japan, because it's very expensive. For this compressor that I'm telling you, 130, 140,000, for Denso Japan will be 500, 700,000 per one. So people normally go for China. China is 200,000 or lesser. So instead of buying China compressor, you go to direct Tokumbo compressor, it's guaranteed more than China.
If we want to find you, how we go find you and what you they do?
My shop there for Ladipo Street, that's Asolok Plaza, number E38 shop, Asolok. And we sell the AC compressor, any AC component, and we help to fix for customer.
Okay.
Yes.